Okay, so welcome back. Now we are at the we've handled the content bit. So now I'm just going to show you a couple of examples of each. This is not going to be a very long online thing. So basically, the content, and I've explained the purpose of the content to you. You are going to want to get people to know, like, and trust you. So just as if I can run through this a little bit, is when you scroll down, you'll immediately see the sort of content that I have out there. Okay, firstly, this is my course. So this is obviously the thing that I've pinned because I want people to see it and I want people to go there because of my lead magnet. That's where I'm getting a lot of my email addresses from. They go there, they click on it, I get the email address so I can remarket it to them later. But my face is there, and this is so important. I'm a big, I keep on saying this, but you have to show your face. I don't care if you don't like your face. I like your face, and you should like your face too. But the thing is, you should show it as much as possible. And the more you show it, the more people become used to it. And people think you're beautiful. You just don't know it yet. So don't feel bad about it. Show your face with every post, because then people will start recognizing you. So this is basically a preempting, letting you guys know that this is going to be coming, etc., etc. It's a little bit about me. But yeah, it's difficult to show my content and the way it goes because I've got a little bit of a different aim at the moment through my content. But just to show you a couple of different examples, this is something of more like a value post where I can tell you about what's coming and all that sort of thing. Again, my face, always my face. So yeah, there's just, you can go through my posts. I mean, I haven't done a results post in a long time just because I've gone on a different route with my content just to get to a specific aim. But these are the sort of things, and don't be afraid to show you like TikTok stuff and like what the day is like. And there's a testimonial about someone that did a very cool testimonial for me. And there's again a value post where there's a 5 P's, and then it sends people to my group. So tune in and see how you can apply the 5 P's as a beginner. What. So these are sort of value posts and mindset posts. This one is more a value mindset where I'm trying to change someone's mindset about the time that they have left on this planet and how they spend it. So you have to have that sort of thing. You create this emotional bond with someone by sharing your own story. Man, you can go through my content. You'll see that I share a lot of my life and what we do, and this is like a relatable post, like us tasting wine because it's now wine tasting season in Cape Town. So keep it personal, keep it normal, but post often, post regularly. Put your face in there, change the background a little bit, make it look interesting, you know. And again, you won't see any shit on my timeline. There's no thing like, oh, you've been tagged with 600 other people and what, all those things. No, keep it clean, keep it nice and tidy. You only want the value on there that you actually want to give the people that's following you. And you don't want to give them shit, really. Just spend time with us. So there's not much else I can show you guys in terms of content. You know now how to optimize the stuff at the beginning above the fold, and then once people are caught and they scroll down, you have an idea of what you need to write. And again, I say it's not a solid rule where you have to do this or you have to do that. Those are the type of posts that you have to write, and they have specific reasons to that and the course material. But then as long as you write one of those posts and keep it different, keep people engaged, keep people entertained, then it should serve its purpose. Right, so now that we've optimized our Facebook and our landing page, now we are going to start getting ready for traffic. Now, getting ready for traffic is as simple as working with Google Chrome and getting to do those things properly. I will show you how to do that. I will talk about it a little bit and explain why we're getting ready for traffic, and then we take it from there. Awesome. Thank you very much still for sticking by me. And as I mentioned before, I will be sharing a massive surprise with each and every one of you at the end of this course, and when you finish it, it's like a little bonus surprise that I wanted to give to you guys. Awesome. So I will see you in the next lesson when we do the Chrome setup.